Hello Cardano Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Guys, once again, I'm talking about Cardano price update. Absolutely, guys, this video is very good video. Good news video for all of you guys. You will be feel very happy after watching this video. So never miss any second of this video. So let's start the video, guys. First of all, if we talk about the currently live price of Cardano in the market, so 2.13 USD dollar, that is the currently live price of Cardano. And other side, if we talk about the changes update of Cardano, so the market rank of Cardano in the market is 5 and 2.13 USD dollar, that is the currently price of Cardano, guys. You know what, a lot of people, I also told you in my many videos that Cardano is a future digital gold. Absolutely, you know about that in August the price of Cardano pump from 1 point some USD dollar to 3 USD dollar, but unfortunately also at the last of September the price dump, and now again the price becomes 2.13 USD dollar. But at this time, if you look the latest situation, so you can see the last 1 hour, last 1 day, the changes of Cardano is positive, and I believe, guys, that possibilities for long term Cardano will continue this pump. So just hold, guys, never decide to sell. Anyways, what you think about Cardano? What's your opinion? What's your prediction? Also share in the comment box, and guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.